In 2025, making passive income is easier than ever. The world is changing fast, and so are the skills you need. Let's explore 7 in-demand skills that can help you make $5,000 or more monthly. The first skill to consider is digital marketing, essential for any business looking to thrive online. Second on the list is e-commerce management, allowing you to run online stores with minimal effort. Third, mastering online course creation can turn your knowledge into a profitable venture. Fourth, investing in real estate crowdfunding offers an accessible way to generate passive income. Fifth, affiliate marketing harnesses the power of referrals to earn commissions effortlessly. Sixth, building a niche blog can provide income through advertising and sponsored content. Finally, mastering stock photography allows you to earn money from your creative images. With these 7 skills, you can pave your way to earning $5,000 or more in passive income each month. The journey toward financial independence begins with taking that first step in learning these skills. Embrace the challenges and continue to adapt as the market evolves around you. Remember, investing in yourself and your skills today assures a more prosperous tomorrow. In the vibrant landscape of the creator economy, individuals are transforming their passions into thriving careers, driven by an insatiable demand for digital content. Every day, people dedicate countless hours to scrolling through feeds, watching videos, and listening to podcasts, immersing themselves in a world of creativity and connection. The diversity of voices and stories shared in this digital realm empowers creators to engage audiences like never before, fostering communities built around shared interests. As creators hone their skills and develop unique styles, they not only entertain, but also inspire others to express themselves and share their own narratives. Monetization opportunities abound in this ecosystem, allowing creators to earn income through sponsorships, merchandise, and subscription models as they build their brands. However, the journey is not without its challenges, as creators must navigate the complexities of algorithms, trends, and audience engagement to succeed. Despite the hurdles, the thrill of connecting with audiences and the potential for personal growth keep many creators motivated and passionate about their craft. Writing engaging posts is an art that requires creativity and a deep understanding of your audience's preferences. Shooting short-form videos such as Instagram Reels and TikToks involves crafting a compelling narrative that captures attention within seconds. Editing videos is where the magic happens, allowing you to piece together footage and enhance visuals for maximum impact. To explain your content effectively in the English language, clarity and coherence are essential, ensuring your message resonates with viewers. Engaging your audience starts with understanding their interests and crafting content that speaks directly to them. Incorporating humor and relatable scenarios can significantly increase the appeal of your posts and videos. Utilizing eye-catching thumbnails and attention-grabbing captions can elevate your content's visibility across platforms. Consistency in posting helps build a loyal audience as they come to expect regular content from you. Engaging with your audience through comments and feedback fosters a sense of community and encourages further interaction. Analyzing performance metrics allows you to refine your strategies and create even more impactful content in the future. To effectively earn online, consider focusing on monetizing YouTube ads, a popular method that many content creators utilize. Another great avenue is offering paid newsletters on platforms like Substack, which allows writers to monetize their content directly from their audience. Additionally, creating digital products such as templates or ebooks can be a lucrative way to share knowledge and skills while generating income. Affiliate marketing is another effective strategy, enabling you to earn commissions by promoting products and services from other companies. Finally, encourage your audience to subscribe to your YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell to stay updated with your latest content. Implementing these strategies can unlock multiple streams of income, transforming your online presence into a profitable venture. With consistent effort and creativity, you can build a sustainable online business that resonates with your audience. Engaging with your audience through valuable content and community interactions will foster loyalty and keep them coming back for more. As your audience grows, don't forget to refine your strategies based on feedback and analytics to ensure ongoing success.